Narcissism is a personality disorder which involves egotistical thinking and actions, being self-centered, undue need for appreciation, and lack of empathy for people. Such people are also manipulative, patronizing, selfish, and demanding. A narcissist's behavior is seen in all aspects of his/her life, work, family, and friends. Origination of the concept Narcissism. The word Narcissism comes from Greek mythology and is the name of a hunter, Narcissus. He was the son of nymph Liriope and river god Cephissus. Narcissus was extremely proud of his handsome looks and despised those who sought his love. Goddess Nemesis was alarmed by his attitude and attracted him to a pool where he fell in love with his own reflection. Narcissus never left the side of the pool until death came to him. Signs and symptoms of a narcissist. They love to leave first impressions, which make them likable at first glance. They are positive in the beginning, but slowly show their negative attributes. A narcissist will perform excellently in a job interview. Although they are not good leaders, but they want to be the best, so they end up in leadership roles. They use name-dropping to show how cool they are. They love to get that attention. "Oh, I was chilling with boss yesterday night at the pub." They pay a lot of attention to their physical well-being. Not all people who are well-maintained are narcissists, but perfect hair, manicured nails, makeup, etc., each time you meet them is a sign you are encountering a narcissist. They can make the best excuses. They don't just leave. They cause a havoc and leave. They are unfaithful. They never put the feelings of others above their self-esteem. Their self-esteem is deep-seated, which makes them very confident people. They love to be flattered. They end up conversing about themselves. They like the conversation to revolve around them. Good things, of course. They are quite repetitive in telling stories, especially if they are emotional ones about them. The story ends with, "How great I am," or "I was." Their social media account is flooded with high profiles. You are dead if you criticize them on their face. How to deal with a narcissist? Think of a very high wave behind you and run while you still have the chance. If a narcissist is your boss, forget about getting into arguments. Narcissists thrive on power. They like to control. Don't let them get the best of you. They love to provoke and begin a fight and then blame others for that fight. The last thing is to get provoked by a narcissist. If you are getting into a war with them, then don't expect to be played fair and square. There are chances you might have to bring on the darker side of you to pin them down. Have your set of proofs, because a narcissist loves to lie. They will portray themselves to be innocent. Since they love admiration, stop doing that. You don't have to flatter them unnecessarily, even if the narcissist is your boss.